यो गाइस, सारंग दिस साइड फ्रॉम मर्थ एंड एज यू कैन सी दैट मैं आ चुका हूँ दोबारा अपनी नई वीडियो में न्यू वीडियो बनाने. नाउ मूविंग फर्दर, what I want to talk about is consider two person who both are random. I mean both person, whoever irrespective of gender, whoever they are, meet first time. Okay, total are random. I entropy totally are randomness between them. I mean random, totally a random person, both of them are random person. Okay, consider both of them meet each other. Okay, now what will happen? They start to talk each other, or before that, do they judge each other by their looks, that how are you looking, how, what are your appearances? Do they? I suppose yes. They I mean, yes, they will gonna judge each other by their looks and appearance first. But why? I mean, here's the catch. If both person are like some highly intellectual, educated, or kind of self-realized or matured person, then they will not gonna judge each other by their looks and appearance. But question here is the question: how, who are they? What type of right do they have to judge each other by their look and appearance? I mean, in general talk, how someone has the right to judge us by, I mean, judge us by looking our looks and appearance, that you are looking like that, he is that that he is like, he is fat, he is slim, his body type is like that, his color, his or her color is like this, he is kind of short, he's kind of tall, he is that, blah blah blah, whatever there are. I mean, whatever there, whatever type of judgment there are, physical judgment, whatever type of there are, I mean, कोई सा भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं जो जजमेंट डाल सके बाय लुकिंग समवन, लाइक पहली बार देखा है, by looking someone, judgment by their looks, appearance, whatever it is, to judge like that type of judgment. Does that even matter? In my opinion, the main thing which matter is the, like, the whole person, that how that person is actually from inside, because that outer membrane is just a appearance look. It doesn't matter that a person a person like might be, I mean, it doesn't matter that the person inside that might be a some great soul. He might be a great soul, he might not a great soul, he is that, however he is looking, that is just his or her outer membrane. It doesn't matter, it doesn't, it doesn't pass a judgment, or it doesn't make a verdict that he is bad or she is bad from inside. Like, the thing which only matter is how the person is from her or his mind or heart, that how is, how, like, what is his thought about the world, how mature he is or she is from his mind. Like, I mean, how pure, I mean, how great his or her soul is in a general talk. Like, consider S.C. Verma sir, how simple person he is. Like, consider कितने like नॉर्मल बंदे हैं वो, उनके पास जो है, जो चीज है वो नहीं है किसी के पास. लाइक, क्या मतलब, द द वास्टनेस ही इज इन हिज माइंड, द, लाइक, क्या ही है उन, लाइक, one of the greatest physician, like, talk, I mean, he has vastness in his, in inside him. Like, I just take a one example, there are too many examples, who who live a very, who looks very simple, but inside him, inside them, they are very divine, they are very like vast inside them. Like, they are very like, they doesn't care about the outer world, because there are 8.2 millions of people out right there, and in those 8.2 billion peoples, um, who the person who are judging someone with their looks, with their appearance, and, I mean, whatever it is, they are fucking like immature or चूतिए हैं वो, like, in a general talk. Because, I mean, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आता भी नहीं है कि जज ही क्यों करे किसी को. लाइक, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ही आ जाता है क्यों ही जज करे, क्वेश्चन ही क्यों आ रहा है कि जज ही क्यों कर रहे हैं किसी को किसी के अपीयरेंस से और लुक से. लाइक the thing, like if someone who loves someone, like who love or whoever they are, a friend, whoever they are, they don't judge each other with their looks, appearance. They only like they are your friend or someone your close like that person might be your family member, your family members. They don't care how you look or what your, I mean, how you look, what is your appearance, what is your appearance is. They just care what is inside you, how, what type of world is inside you, how you see the world, like how divine you are from inside, like how mature you are from inside. That maturity matters the most than anything else. The how intellectual you are, like not in that not in that way that you should be, I mean, self, how dangerously self-educated, like how self-educated you are, how self-aware you are about the world, about yourself, how self-realized you are. That thing matter the most than anything else which comes. If, I mean, simple talk, if someone is judging someone, they are like immature, simple talk, or they don't know about the, like, they don't know the real beauty of world, how the world is like. they उन्होंने वो एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया है, लाइक इन अ जनरल टॉक. वो उस चीज के, वो उस, लाइक, वो सेल्फ रियलाइज नहीं है जनरल टॉक. बिकॉज जब कोई सेल्फ रियलाइज होता है वो दुनिया को, लाइक, ही डजंट ही डजंट केयर अबाउट हाउस, हाउ, लाइक, उसके क्वेश्चन उसके दिमाग में आते ही नहीं क्वेश्चन कि सम अबाउट समवन्स लुक और appearance. He, the thing which only matter for him is how someone, I mean, the inside world of someone, that is it. mm, Wherever you go, if, I mean, this is a simple talk. Judging someone by their looks, and there is not even a question of judging someone with their looks or with their appearance. ये क्वेश्चन होना भी नहीं चाहिए, क्यों ही करें. और जो भी कर रहा है या जो भी कर रहा है, whoever being doing this with you, he, उससे उसके कैरेक्टर का पता चल सकता है अपन को कि हाउ इमेच्योर ही इज, एंड how, like, character, he shows his reality, he shows his कैरेक्टर. वो इंटेंस सिचुएशन में डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है उस पर्सन को, अगर वो इसी इतनी ही सी छोटी चीज में अपना रंग दिखा सकता है. लाइक अ टॉक, सिंपल टॉक एंड लॉजिकल टॉक, एंड simple talk. Great people tend to be, I mean, great people always seeks great company. Great, you always see great peoples, or I mean, great peoples not in that way, I mean, अच्छे पीपल, अच्छा दायरा तुम्हें वहीं पे मिले. आई मीन, ग्रेट पीपल्स ओनली बीइंग फाउंड एट सम ग्रेट प्लेसेस, ग्रेट दायरे में ही मिलेंगे वो पीपल्स. वो कहीं इधर उधर नहीं बैठे मिलेंगे, बिकॉज ही नो, उन्हें उन्हें अपनी जन, आई मीन, लोग अपनी जनता ढूंढ लेते हैं. एंड फिल्ट्रेशन है यहाँ पे, इस चीज़ से फिल्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो कि वो, you shouldn't be there because you are not belong to there, because those type of people who is that immature are, how they can, how they can achieve something big. I mean, even if they achieve, but I mean, without self realization, how can you go, like, how can someone be satisfied? I mean, self realization is some kind of thing which is important. Enlightenment is important for someone who need to achieve greatness in his life, in her life. Talk is quite simpler. And there are too many things, there are too much I could say, but वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. एंड मुझे इतना ही सब कहना है. और मैंने, लाइक, बहुत कुछ बोल दिया है, और आई सपोज आई ऑल्सो रिपीटेड टू मैनी वर्ड्स, बट ऑल राइट. I just wanted to say whatever comes in my mind about that thing, about that topic, whatever I'm talking about some look, appearance kind of stuff. So if you like the video, then it is great thing, and one view is enough for me as always. So peace.